iMailComms is an integrated communications solution for clients of all sizes. We do critical mail comms, we do marketing communications, and what's unique about our offering is that we blend the physical and the digital world. We offer this to organisations, some of the biggest organisations in the UK, down to startups, anyone that communicates with an audience and wants to communicate in the recipient's preferred manner, then iMailComms is the solution for you.
Back in 2005, the public company that I was the CEO for got a license to deliver mail for the first time ever, a thing called downstream access. And what we were missing was a first-class service. And so the idea that some bright spark came up with was that actually we should print mail at the point of the delivery. So we had the idea of iMail and started all that time ago, 2004, 2005, to try and offer first-class service as a downstream access operator. So iMail was formed as a result of us taking our mail business to another level, and we created a department called iMail, a product called iMail, and then in 2008 we plucked Andy out of our business and said, Andy, you're the man, let's put you in here to grow this business. And that's exactly what he did. And when we bought the business from DHL in the end, I think the turnover was about £18 million. So I definitely picked the right man.
Welcome to iMail's 24,000 square foot print operation. What you have here is the stock that we go through in about 2 weeks. So one of these lines we go through in 5 days, and you need to be doing that type of velocity to do 50 million mail packs a year plus. So previously, this was all stored in containers around our old warehouse. So having this space to be able to bulk buy helps us keep the costs low, but also means that our service is slick, and we can get up to 350,000 items in one day. So we're now in the print area of iMailComms. We have 10,000 users around the UK that submit their data, their images, their assets to our web-based server, which is in Azure premises. And that's where our software is doing all the clever stuff. It's composing the documents, it's making it mail ready. It's then sorting it to raw mail specifications 70 ways. It then moves over to one of our printers, and these are top high-end presses capable of doing between 130 and 150 pages per minute. So every item that's printed has a unique barcode on the reverse, and that gives us complete assurance that the item that's going into the mail pack is the right one. That's so important for our clients, particularly those in the highly regulated markets like healthcare or finance. Then our insert machines are scanning each of those barcodes. As it hits the machine, then the barcode's telling the enveloper what needs to go in. Is there an insert? Is there a special envelope? Is there something special we have to do with it? Once the item then has been round the system, it's then stacked on the end of the system and then put in a tray ready for collection to go through the mail operation. And these are the final mail trays that are ready to go through the postal operation. And just to show you the quickness of the service, this item could have been uploaded by a user just 15 minutes ago, and it's already worked its way through our system, printed and ready to go.
It's quite a busy sector, as I think most companies tend to fall into busy sectors. But where we're slightly different to others is that we're not only a printing facility and a technology business, we're actually part of the raw mail network by using downstream access for our service. And obviously in our last business, that was inherent in the overall business. We've taken that ethos and built that into what we offer now. And so I think that gives us a unique edge over our competition.
So at the beginning of this whole process, back in early 2020, we approached a number of private equity houses with this opportunity, which was to take iMail, which was a division of UK Mail, independent, to allow it to grow and thrive. We met at that point with 13 private equity houses, and I can quite simply say that Mercia were head and shoulders above everyone throughout the process. really had a laser-like focus on achieving the outcome, which was releasing the opportunity and realising the opportunity outside of the corporate control. I don't think we would have got to the end had we have not sort of been with Mercia through the process.
But our immediate plans are to make this business a proper technology business. It is, but it's not necessarily seen on the outside of the technology business. So we need to address that and also grow our profits, which we're doing quite nicely at the moment. And then 3-4 years' time, then maybe it's an exit into the marketplace or another venture capital company. So that is the plan.
We're just in the process of rolling out our next generation software. Within the next year, we certainly want to be bringing more of our digital platform to market, which would include portals, encrypted messaging, emails, SMS in a slightly different, more secure form. And thereon, the way we've engineered the software means that we can move beyond the domestic borders and take this product internationally. And that's something that we are certainly exploring.